heading to the spa soon. We have an appointment at 9, it's 8:30, so we're just getting ready and we'll see you guys there. Who's this handsome guy? Hi, good morning. We have an appointment at 9. Just finished our massage. It was amazing, aside from the fact that they were doing an emergency drill during our time. So if you guys do a massage, please make sure that it's not on a day that they do drills. But other than that, my girl was Julie and she was thebomb.com. I took a shower and I sat in a sauna and I lotioned up and used all their products, and now I'm about to wait for my hubby to get out so that we can go eat and enjoy the port. So I'll update you guys a little bit later. Kids drink, but it tastes like grape juice and Sprite together.